I tried for a while to get this Samsung QLED Q90R to just listen to me, the owner. Every time you unplug and or replug a new device into the One Connect box here, this guy, it wants to auto think, auto guess, second guess you, me, the owner of this damn thing. I got sick to death of that. I searched the web. I was on the phone. I was in the chat rooms, in the forums, on the Samsung website. I mean, nobody's got an answer, it seems. And Samsung was very specifically, I don't know, acting like a first-rate secondhand doorstop. I don't know how else to call it. I mean, they kept telling me there was no answer. There is no fix for it. Can't be done with this technology, that kind of crap. Well, they're dead freaking wrong. This is how you're going to do it. And it's really not complicated, but you're going to need a couple of things here. This is the remote that I received with this television. This guy right here. Nothing special. I mean, it's very lackluster. I actually kind of hate this thing. This is the one that you're going to need, or something just like it. You're going to need one with a whole bunch more buttons. This one very specifically is a BN59-01199F. To get this done, what you're going to do, you're going to turn the TV off. You're going to unplug the One Connect box. Wait, I don't know, give or take 2 minutes. After it's the capacitors have drained down and the thing has cycled off properly, plug it back in. And before you turn it on, you're going to push a sequence of buttons. It's pretty simple. You're going to push mute, volume down, channel down, mute, and then power on. Do it in specifically that sequence in, you know, a rapid succession, but not too quick. You'll get it. You'll figure it out. You don't got to go super fast, but you don't want to dick around with it either. Once you do that, then you're going to eliminate this constant second guessing. When you plug in a new device to the HDMI, and it shouldn't matter which HDMI port, but it's just going to look like, well, I'll show you. Here's what I currently have going on. I have not renamed this one yet. It'll just look like that. Anything you plug in is going to say unknown. Now you can go in and then, you know, edit the thing to whatever device you want. You name it. You know, it's your damn TV. You ought to have control of it. Just as an aside, here I'm on my. This is my computer that's plugged in. I was into my receiver for Fire TV. Well, here I'll switch back. Just so as you knows. I hate this. This just feels clunky to me, but this is Alexa. I just got this thing today, and I only got it so that I can finally get 5.1 surround sound with Amazon Prime, and oh, that gripes my ass, but that's another story for another time. Here, I'm just gonna pull it out like yay, and come down here to, let's see, I got 2 ports open. I'll just plug it into this one, if I can get there. And by doing that, TV didn't change nothing. It should be there. We only had one unknown source before. Let's see what it looks like now. Now we got 2 unknown sources. See that? It doesn't automatically change your world anymore. Why this constant, you know, rocket science? Everything's so freaking complicated anymore. I mean, this wasn't. I mean, there we are, back to that Amazon Alexa thing, and I've never plugged it into this TV before. That's the first time. I can't plug it into this. I won't get my surround sound. This thing refuses to put out Dolby Digital Plus. It refuses to frickin' do it. I got to plug it straight into my receiver. That's the only way I get it. That's why I got that damn Alexa, or not the Alexa thing, the Fire Stick thing. But you know, that's what it is now. I mean, you can see with your own two eyeballs. Come on. Now you name it whatever you like, but you know that's how it's going to work for you now. Like I said, it's real simple. You need this remote, and then it's mute, volume down, channel down, mute, and power on. It won't show you anything when you do that. You're never going to see any kind of flashing or anything, you know, goofy like that up on screen. You're not going to get any confirmation. It won't tell you nothing. It will just simply stop wrecking your world every time you change any device via your HDMI port. And that's how you do it. So I couldn't find this anywhere else on YouTube, and I did find one guy. I think he's a Samsung tech. I don't remember the website, but I found it online. I did eventually find it, and it took some doing. So hopefully this makes it easier for you guys, and hopefully it helps. So there you go.